Hello everyone. In the last video, I have created handler functions and routes for those handler functions in order to create user authentication. So in this video, I'm going to create a users model. In order to do that, I have to create a users table. I already create a users table. Okay. But and now I'm going to build the model in Go. Okay, so go to models.go. Okay, now here I'm going to create errors as well. Okay, and then next one is errors dot new string will be models invalid credentials. So this could be error invalid credentials. Valid credentials. And another one will be errors dot new models duplicate email. So now it could be error duplicate email. Okay, now I'm going to define a user type. So type user struct id int. I'm going to keep, so this is the table that I have created. So id, name, email, hashed password, and date time. So I'm going to define a new user type with these variables. Okay, so int id, another one will be name string, and email string, hashed password will be byte, and created time dot time. So I'm going to use this invalid credentials error later if a user tries to log in with the incorrect email address or password. Okay, and then error duplicate email as well. We will use this later if a user tries to sign up with an email address that's already in use. Okay, so now the types has been set up. So actually we need to make up the actual database model. In order to do that, I'm going to create a file under MySQL touch package models MySQL users dot go. Okay, click enter. Okay, under MySQL, okay, users.go. Now then we are going to create a new user model type with some placeholder functions. So here, package MySQL type, this could be user model struct, this is also db sql.db, and then we will use the authenticate method to verify whether a user exists with a provided email address and password. This will return the relevant user ID if they do. Okay. Func user model and authenticate email password. Okay, so otherwise return int error. So first of all, we are going to return the 0 and error nil, and another method will be get. I'm going to create user model id int models dot user error and return nil comma nil. So this get method to fetch the details for a specific user based on their user ID. Okay, then final stage is to add a new field to our application struct so that we can make this model available to our handlers. So let's go to main.go. Where is the application struct? This is the application struct. Here, create like users MySQL dot users model. Okay, now once I add this field in application struct, I have to initialize this MySQL.users model instance and add it to the application dependencies. So go to here, go to app user star MySQL dot user model db. Okay, so in this video we have created the user model and we have created the types in models.go for the users table, and then I'm going to create a next video for user sign up and password encryption. So I hope you understand. In the next video I'm going to create one sign up page template file, and then once I create the template file, I'm going to write the code for the sign up user form handler function. Finally, we are going to sign up the user in the next video. I hope you understand. Thank you so much. Bye bye.